With the footage on the timeline, we can start cutting and trimming. To cut a section of the video, select the razor tool by using the shortcut key C on the keyboard, or by clicking on this razor icon on the tools bar and clicking on the point where you want to make the cut. Then select the section you want to remove and hit delete. Alternatively, you can also use the Command and K keys to make a cut. To trim a section of the video, click on the edge of the clip and drag it inward to your desired length. You can also use the Q shortcut key on the keyboard to trim the beginning of the clip, and the W shortcut key to trim the end of the clip. And there you have it, a quick and easy tutorial on how to cut and trim your videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos in the comment section. Till next time, kwaheri.